Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to perform archiving projects on Asana, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started right away. First things first, log into your Asana account and navigate to the project you wish to archive. This step is key because it lays the groundwork for our archiving operation. Now that we've done that, click on the drop-down menu next to the project title. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This drop-down menu is the gateway to several project settings, including the archiving function. Next up, select Archive Project from the menu. The reason we do this is to tell Asana that this particular project needs to be stored away. It's like neatly filing a folder away in a filing cabinet for future reference. Following that, confirm your action in the pop-up window by clicking Archive. This step seals the deal and sends the project into the archive. Remember, once archived, the project won't appear in your immediate workspace, but can be readily accessed whenever needed. Finally, to view your archived projects, you can click on the More tab on the sidebar and then on Archived Projects. This helps us because it allows us to keep our workspace clean and organized, yet still have access to our previous work. So that's it, folks. In just a few simple steps, we've successfully archived a project on Asana, keeping our workspace clutter-free and our old projects accessible. As they say, a clean workspace is a productive workspace. Thank you for joining us today on this quick tutorial for archiving projects on Asana. Stay organized, stay productive, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.